In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the sales register from Zoho Books. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to pay attention to the details to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's start off on the main interface of Zoho Books. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options presented there, and you will want to click on Sales. This is the hub where you'll manage all your sales-related data, including invoices, estimates, and more. Now, after navigating to the Sales section, the next step is to select the specific module you want to export. You might be looking at invoices, sales orders, or another category relevant to your business operations. Simply click on the module that contains the data you are interested in exporting. It's crucial to choose accurately because this determines the information you'll extract for your records. With that module open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You will see what is known as the More icon, commonly represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and select the option to Export or Export Module Name. This command will initiate the export process for the selected sales data. An export dialog box will then pop up, providing several settings that you can configure to customize the data export to your specific needs. Let's walk through these options. First, you'll set the status of the transactions you want to include, such as all invoices. It's important to select the right status filter to ensure you're exporting the accurate set of data. Next is the date range. Specify the period you need for your sales register. Whether it's this financial year, last month, or any other specific time frame, defining this range ensures you're working with the most relevant data. You also have the option to select an export template. This lets you customize which fields you'll include in your exported file. You can use an existing template or create a new one, depending on what information you need. Then, determine the file format for your export. Options commonly include CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Choose the format that best suits how you'll be using the data, whether it's further analysis in a spreadsheet program or sharing it with others. If necessary, you can add a file protection password. This is optional, but a great feature if you're dealing with sensitive information and want to ensure your data's security. Finally, once you've carefully set your preferences, there's only one thing left to do. Click Export. Your file will download directly to your computer, ready for you to open, analyze, or distribute as needed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully exported the sales register from Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.